Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your email replies show up in your actual inbox so that way they're not just in Blue Ocean, okay? And what I mean by that is sometimes when someone replies to one of your marketing emails that you send out or one of your one-off emails that you just happen to send from here, and the reply is captured inside of Blue Ocean, but it does not show in your current inbox. In order to make it show in your current inbox, what you'll have to do is come over here to Settings, SMTP and MailGun service, and then under forwarding address, you're just going to want to enter in your email that you want it to go to, and then you'll press save. And so from now on, when somebody replies to your email, replies to any of your emails inside of Blue Ocean, it will be captured inside of Blue Ocean, and it will also send a copy to your inbox that you put here. Okay, you can have multiple forwarding addresses in here. All you have to do is just hit that, and then you just type your next email, just like that, and just press save. Okay, and that is how you forward them over into your inbox. Now, if you want to use the BCC section here, this means that any emails that you send out, whether it's marketing emails that you send or a one-off email that you send, whatever emails that you send to your clients a copy will automatically be sent to you. Okay, and same thing, you just type in your email address and press save. Okay, and last but not least, forward to assigned user. If this is turned on, what this will do is if you have an assigned user to a campaign, meaning under campaign configuration, and you have a user assigned in here, what will happen is anytime somebody replies to one of these emails from this campaign and it's assigned to this user, it'll automatically forward to their email that they have on file, meaning it will forward to this email that they have on file, okay? And that is how you forward your emails over to your inbox.